Welcome back to Auto World Drive, the channel where you get the hottest car reveals, first looks, and upcoming automotive launches before anyone else. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because today we are breaking down one of the most anticipated budget hatchbacks of the year. Yes, this is your first detailed look at the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10, a car that has been a favorite for millions across India and now returns with an all-new design, improved features, and a whole new driving experience. So let's jump straight into what makes the 2026 Alto K10 a much bigger deal than you might expect from a compact hatchback. Right from the first glance, the changes are immediately noticeable. Maruti has reworked the front fascia with a wider grille, sharper headlamps, and a more aerodynamic bumper. The car looks more mature, more refined, and you can instantly tell that Maruti wanted the new Alto to feel more premium while still staying true to its budget-friendly identity. The body lines are cleaner, the proportions are better balanced, and even though it remains compact, the stance is definitely more confident. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice a slight bump in wheel size, giving the K10 a more planted road presence. The refreshed tail lamps at the back now wrap slightly into the body, giving it a more modern and sporty touch. Overall, the 2026 Alto K10 is no longer just a basic entry-level hatchback, it finally looks like something built for the future. Now let's talk about the interior, where Maruti has done some of its boldest upgrades yet. Step inside and you are met with a more spacious cabin thanks to optimized layout adjustments. The dashboard is redesigned with a cleaner look, featuring a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The AC vents have been reshaped for better airflow, and even the steering wheel now carries a more upscale vibe. You also get power windows, digital instrument cluster, and improved materials that take the overall feel to a more refined level. The seats are wider and better cushioned, aimed at reducing fatigue on longer trips. For a car in this category, these updates make a big difference. Under the hood, the 2026 Alto K10 still runs on the trusted 1.0-liter K-series petrol engine, but Maruti has fine-tuned it for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. The engine now complies with stricter emission norms and offers improved mileage, which is a huge selling point in the hatchback segment. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or Maruti's AMT automatic, the driving experience remains light, easy, and extremely city-friendly. The steering feels more responsive, the suspension has been slightly stiffened for better stability, and overall, the car feels more solid than before. Safety also gets a noticeable boost. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, seatbelt reminders, reverse parking sensors, and a reinforced body shell aim to make the new Alto K10 safer for families and first-time buyers. Maruti knows that safety cannot be compromised anymore, even in budget cars, and the 2026 model clearly reflects that. And now the big question: who is the 2026 Alto K10 meant for? Well, if you want a compact, fuel-efficient, low-maintenance, easy-to-drive, and affordable car that still offers modern features, this little hatchback fits perfectly. Whether you're a new driver, a small family, or someone looking for a second city car, the Alto K10 remains one of the most practical choices in India. So that is your complete first look at the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10. Let me know in the comments what feature impressed you the most and whether you think Maruti has done enough to keep the Alto at the top of the entry-level lineup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming car reveals. Thanks for watching Auto World Drive and I'll see you in the next video.